Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, art.
That's right. Art is everywhere in paintings, sculptures, digital designs, street art, and even in the way we decorate our homes. And it's a popular topic for IELTS speaking.
Today, we'll answer IELTS-style questions, explain vocabulary, share personal stories, and give tips to make your answers natural and detailed.
And listeners, remember, you can repeat after us, answer the questions yourself, or pause the podcast to practice speaking. Let's start simple. Then, do you like art?
Yes, I really like art. I enjoy visiting galleries, seeing different styles of painting, and learning about artists. Looking at beautiful art can make me feel calm and inspired.
Me too. I especially enjoy modern and abstract paintings. I like trying to understand the meaning behind each painting.
And here's a tip for IELTS. Always explain why you like something. For example, I like abstract paintings because they make me imagine different ideas.
Good tip. Next question. Have you ever made art yourself?
Yes, sometimes I draw or paint at home. I'm not very good, but it's relaxing and fun. I also like using colors creatively.
Same here. I often draw flowers or animals. The important thing is to enjoy the process, not just the final result.
And another simple question. Do you prefer visiting art galleries or looking at art online?
I prefer visiting galleries because you can see the real colors and textures. But online art is great too, especially for learning about artists from other countries.
And here's a useful word for IELTS, texture. It means how something feels or looks, like smooth, rough, soft, or shiny. You can say, I like paintings with interesting texture because they look more real. Now let's try a longer answer, like IELTS Part 2. Describe a piece of art you like.
I want to talk about Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. It's a famous painting of the night sky. I love it because the colors are bright and the shapes of the stars and moon are very unique. It makes me feel calm and inspired. I usually look at it online or in books. For me, this painting shows the beauty of nature and imagination.
That's perfect. You included the name of the painting, why you like it, where you see it, and how it makes you feel. Very natural and complete.
Thanks. Now your turn, Ben. Describe an artist you admire.
I admire Leonardo da Vinci. He was very talented and creative. He not only painted amazing works like the Mona Lisa, but he also studied science and machines. I admire him because he combined art and knowledge. It inspires me to try creative projects in my own life.
Great answer. You also gave a reason and connected it to your life. That's a strong tip for IELTS.
Another cue card topic. Describe an art exhibition or museum you have visited.
Last year, I visited a modern art museum. It had paintings, sculptures, and interactive displays. My favorite part was a digital art section where I could create my own virtual painting. It was fun, and I learned a lot about different styles of art. I recommend visiting exhibitions because they help you understand and enjoy art more.
And if you haven't visited a museum yet, you can still answer in IELTS using future tense. I would like to visit an art exhibition because I enjoy seeing colorful paintings and sculptures.
Let's move on to opinion questions. Do you think art is important in life?
Yes, art helps people express emotions, tell stories, and makes life more beautiful. Even simple street murals can make a city feel more lively and happy.
I agree. Art also teaches us about culture and history. Old paintings show how people lived, what they valued, and how they saw the world.
Another question. Should children learn art at school?
Definitely. Art improves creativity and imagination. It also helps children express themselves and feel confident.
And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just trying and enjoying the process is enough.
Next question. Do you prefer traditional art or modern art?
I like both. Traditional art shows amazing skills, while modern art can be very creative and surprising. It's interesting to compare them and see how art has changed over time.
Great. Another IELTS tip. When giving your opinion, always explain why and give examples.
Let's talk about some useful art vocabulary. Exhibition, a show of paintings or sculptures in a museum or gallery. Sculpture, a 3D work of art, like a statue. Abstract, art that doesn't look real, but uses shapes, colors, and feelings. Creative, able to make new and interesting things. Masterpiece, a very important or perfect work of art.
You can use them in sentences. I went to an exhibition last week and saw amazing sculptures. Abstract art can be exciting because it makes you imagine different ideas. The Mona Lisa is a famous masterpiece by Leonardo da Vinci.
And let's share some funny stories. I tried painting a landscape once, but it ended up looking like a colorful mess.
I once tried sculpting a dog from clay. It looked more like a potato.
That's okay. Art is about enjoying and experimenting.
Also, art can be compared to music. Both express emotions, tell stories, and inspire people. You can use comparisons in IELTS answers. Art is like music because it can make people feel happy, calm, or excited. All right, listeners, now it's your turn. Try answering these questions. Do you like art? Why or why not? Describe your favorite painting or sculpture. Describe an artist you admire. Have you ever visited an art exhibition or museum? Do you think art is important in life? Should children learn art at school?
Remember, give reasons, examples, and personal stories. The more details, the better your IELTS answer.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the episode and learned new words and tips about art.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast if you enjoyed it.
Both of us.
See you next time. Bye.